Before getting started, make sure you have all your necessary materials needed in order to properly set up your docking station. The items needed are listed here. If you do not have a DisplayPort to VGA adapter, which looks like this, you can request one from technology by having your technology contact fill out a work order. Once you have confirmed you have all the necessary accessories, you're going to want to take the docking station and power cord out of the box you received it in. Next, you're going to plug the power cord first into the docking station and then into a wall outlet. This will provide power to all the devices we will be connecting to the docking station, including your laptop, which we will plug in now. Once that is finished, you're going to plug in your green Ethernet cable or patch cable into the docking station. Next, we are going to plug in both your HDMI to VGA adapter and your DisplayPort to VGA adapter into your docking station. This will connect the laptop to both your second display and the projector. Once your second monitor is connected, plug your USB hub into the docking station like so. Now connect the Juno wires directly into the docking station, including both red and white audio connections. Once plugged in, test your Juno to make sure it is working properly. To do this, try talking into your Juno microphone and playing a YouTube video from your laptop. Once tested, take the box containing your mouse and keyboard and open it. Inside, you should find 2 AAA batteries from your keyboard and 1 AA battery for your mouse. Insert the batteries to power your devices. To connect your keyboard and mouse, take the small USB adapter found under the top shell of the mouse and plug the USB adapter into your docking station. This will connect both your mouse and keyboard to your laptop. Once your wireless keyboard and mouse are plugged in, test your document camera. To do this, launch the Sphere 2 program on your laptop and turn on your document camera. Wait for the document camera to boot up. You have now successfully completed the setup of your Dell docking station to your work laptop. If you require further assistance, please contact the Technology Department at 956-289-2325.